Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Town Wallet application on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store in a device. Now, click on the search bar and type the name of your application. After that, click on search. Here, scroll down until you see this icon. After that, click on download button. You may need to verify it is your first time downloading. Also, your download speed may take some time depending on its internet speed. Now, click on open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen here. Simply tap on it to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.